Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw a bear on a tree using crayons. So we'll start with the pencil sketch. Make a line like this, a slant line. Make sure that there's less space at the top and more space at the bottom. And then draw its branch over here. Next, draw half circle over here like this for the bear and another half circle on the other side for the hand over here, and from here you will draw the nose part of the bear like this. This area will contain the nose and the mouth of the bear. Now using the same line from the other side you make the other hand, and over here add the triangular nose of the bear here. First make a line like this and draw its mouth, and then draw slant lines from either side making its triangular nose with curvy lines. Next we'll add circles for the eyes. Make sure that both the circles are of same size. Inside these circles, add another circle that is looking towards the top of the tree. That is, both the circles will be touching the upper part of the circle that we made prior to this. Next, make half circle for the ears as well. Make sure that both the circles are of same size again. Add another half circle inside it for the inner part of the ear. Repeat the step for the other side as well. Now we'll make circle for the bee. Add lines like this on bee's body and make its pointy part over here at the bottom V-shaped, and add its antennas as well. Now add the wings of the bees as well. Similarly, make another bee beside it. It looks like the bear has its eyes on the bees. We'll add the nails of the bear as well like this. Add 3 lines here and over here as well. Add lines for the texture of the tree here. Add swirls as well for the lines. Once you are done with the sketching of the picture, take black sketch pen and outline the areas that I am outlining. For example, here the nails of the bear, the texture of the tree, and the eyes and nose and mouth. These parts will be outlined using a black marker. After outlining, I also fill color in this eye portion and leave the inner circle white for the highlight part of the eye. After this, also using your black sketch pen, outline this area of the bee that is supposed to be black, the stripes, and its antennas. once you're done with this, using the black marker, add small lines all over the bear. Now we'll use an orange sketch pen for outlining the bear. Now we'll use blue sketch pen for outlining the circular portion of the bees and blue sketch pen for outlining the wings of the bees. Now after this, add swirls all over the paper to make the background of this picture a little fun and interesting. Once we are done with the outlining part, using an eraser, erase all the pencil lines that are visible over here. Now let's move over to the most fun part of making this picture, that is the coloring part. We'll start by using yellow color for coloring the bees over here. Now we'll use orange color for coloring the hands, face and ears of the bear. Make sure when you are coloring over here, you're adding strokes in one direction and also you're pressing hard enough so that the paper white is not visible. Not even the texture of the crayon on the paper should be visible. It should be damp, dark, matte, orange color. goes for the tree trunk as well. Make sure when you're coloring, the strokes align and they all are pointing towards the same direction. The darker the color is, the more are the strokes likely to be visible. Therefore, pay attention and be very careful when you're coloring, especially near the outlines, so that you do not spill the color all over to the orange part or outside on the background. Darken up some of the black lines that are present on the trunk so that it's more visible now.